Okay, check out another fresh arrival here at Victory Honda Plymouth. With only 13,000 miles on it, this 2023 Honda Civic Sport is waiting for a new home. Just came in, we're running through the shop, 182-point inspection. We check it out front to back, side to side, top to bottom, brakes, fluids, tires, filters, all of it. Make sure that it's up to spec. Then it gets backed with the ability of having the Honda certified warranty, 7 years, 100,000 miles, lots of different stuff with a warranty. Come talk to us about that today. It's red in color. It's got the black wheels, the black interior. It's sporty. It's fun. It's economical. With 40 miles to the gallon, this thing is the one. So come check it out today. You get 2 keys, the books, the Carfax report, all the history. This one was bought here brand new. It's a one-owner car. Super nice. We're going to detail it professionally inside and out. Make sure that it's ready for its new home. Come see us today at 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out soon. I'll just give you a quick peek inside. Black interior. Like I said, we're going to detail it up, make sure it's ready to go. Come check it out today, Victory Honda.